Okay, let's talk about one of the biggest fears most retirees have, even if they don't say it out loud. What if I live longer than my money does? Now, living a long time? Well, that's actually a great problem to have. Outliving your savings? Not so much. Nobody dreams of a retirement where the final chapter includes saying, yes, I'd like the early bird special, and also, how do you apply for food stamps? Fortunately, there are smart strategic steps you can take right now to make sure your money keeps working as long as you do. Step number one, know your spending number. Before you can plan how long your money will last, you need to know how much you're actually spending. Not just the big stuff, everything. The daily coffee habit, those Amazon packages that magically appear. Yeah, those count. Step two, stress test your plan. Don't just hope for 7% market returns every year. Plan for the bumpy ride. What if there's a recession, a market dip, an unexpected medical bill? A good plan factors in reality, not just rosy projections. Step number three, create multiple income streams. Social Security is nice. A pension is even better. But what happens if that's not enough? Think annuities, rental income, dividends, and a withdrawal strategy that doesn't burn through your savings like a Vegas bachelor party. Step number four, rebalance and adjust. Retirement isn't just set it and forget it. Markets change, inflation creeps, your needs evolve. Review and adjust your plan regularly, like a financial oil change. Step number five, plan for longevity. You might live to 85 or 95, or you could be the next Betty White. Make sure your plan isn't built to only last through your early 80s. That's like filling your gas tank halfway for a cross-country road trip. So if you're thinking, yeah, this sounds great, but I have no idea where to start, don't worry. That's why I'm here. Now's the time to schedule a quick 30-minute phone call with me. Simply visit talktopatrick.com or click on one of those links in the description below. I'd love to answer any questions that you have. Also, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn so you don't miss out on any of these awesome retirement quick tips. I'll talk to you soon.